Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a numerical on naval architecture. So here is the numerical. An inclining experiment was carried out on a ship of 8010 displacement. The inclining ballast was moved transversely through 12 meter and the deflection of the pendulum is 5.5 meter long and is measured from the center line and were as follow. So these are the weights given within the question. So we need to find the metacentric height of the vessel. So before you need to know about this, you need to know the inclining experiment and all. So you need to read this topic to understand. I hope you have studied this during your college time. This is a inclining experiment which is used to find the metacentric height of the ship. So generally we are shifting a mass from one place to another place, so it will get heeled to a certain angle and the center of gravity move away from the center line and as well as the buoyancy also. And we will hang a pendulum below the hatch cover to measure that deflection. So that is for this measurement. And here is the formula. So center of gravity moves as a mass is moved to a certain distance is divided by a displacement of a ship. So this is that formula for change in center of gravity, Gg1. And this tan theta is equal to A by L is a deflection. So here we are hanging a pendulum on hatch cover. So that hatch cover to pendulum length is this one, length of the pendulum, and this is the deflection, how much angle it got deflected, and this is considered as a deviation as A. So here is the formula for it. Okay, let's see how the numerical is. So here we are taking all those mass such as 3 tons. So here it is written as ballast restored. So 3 plus 3 it is 6. And here it is given 3 tons as 3 and another 3 tons starboard to port as we are writing this value over here. And this deflection value we are straightly written it over here, 64, 116, 13, 3, 1 this value. So most of them are getting that from where this value came from. It's nothing but symbol. So first of all we are assuming a 0 over here. So 64 minus 0 will be 64. 116 minus 64 will be 52. Same over here, it is 3 mm minus 116, so we will get 113 mm. So as you told, here it is ballast restored. So next value we need to add it. 54 plus 3, 57. And again same like minusing, 113 minus 54 we will get 59. So this is how this value came. So we need to take average of this by adding all this value. We get 345 and adding all this value we will get 18 tons. So as I told, we need to assume 0 over here. So from 0 if we count means 0 means 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 values. So we are dividing by 6. We will get 3 tons as a mean value. And here this deviation is divided by 6, so we will get 57.5 mm. So here we are taking tan theta is equal to A by L. It's a formula. As you know, tan theta is equal to A by L. We is taking this formula and applying it over the numerical. So average is deviation is 57.5. We are writing it over here. And L is length of the pendulum, so 5.5 meter, it is in meter and this one is in mm. So we are converting this meter into mm, so we are multiplying it by 1000. So 5.5 into 1000, and actually we need to find metacentric height of the vessel. From this, you know, the formula is metacentric height is equal to mass into distance into displacement of ship into tan theta. So we found out tan theta is equal to A by L by applying that formula. So now let's see how metacentric height is taken. So here mass is equal to 3. The mean value, as you know, it is a 3 tan. We are applying it over here. And distance, what is the distance? Vessel move transversely through 12 meter. So that distance we are written it over here, and we are writing the displacement is 8000 over here, and applying this value here, it is tan theta. So tan theta value, what it is, 57.5 divided by 5.5 into 1000 will be 5500. So 57.5 will be here, that 5500 will be goes up. So after multiplying and divide, we will get the metacentric height of the vessel. So this is how this value we will get. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you understood the numerical. Let's see next video.